man. And xin'wana na ku xi vula u hleketa ku a hi maendlelo ya kahle ya ku wena u vona ku video u subscribe la ka channel like no vula ku a hi mavonelo ya kahle na loko u tshama u swi hleketa u ku bi u ku ntse u ku du loko swi hleketini u hleketa ku a hi mavonelo ya kahle no vula loko u like kunene u hleketa ku it's a bad idea loko u u ku ntse like no vula nje hambo tika u yi share ka WhatsApp ya wena u yi share ka Facebook link leyi. Do you think that is a bad idea?
No vakachethi un'wana va tsaka va ku kutima thosi kirikiri
jaro kula imbacha danun a xi yi tivi
a mina tala hi mina like that favor
wa lava a wu lava
it doesn't
Twanano. Yeah, Jaimito, Infano, Sabigan. Yeah, brought to you by Vatsonga Group. With this if you want to join our society, you can just go through the website www.vakandugroup.co.za. You'll get all the information, all the benefits of all the levels. Then you see hambana ka swona kuma rito ra hina namuntlha ka episode number 49 verse 10 vanhu va swi vona leswaku hambi tiri tintlhari tafa ku fana ni leswi mintlunya ni swiphunta swi faka hinkwavo va siyela van'wana rifuwo ra vona. Hallelujah. Then khomela ni this nda kota ku panhla swin'wanyana. Number 1, ya vulavula hi Mayengani on his second live loko karhi a vulavula na MLFM. So xo sungula before hi endla swilo hinkwaswo i maivava jaro kula himbata tanuna xiti yimanimi amukela ka the channel that matters the channel that matters the most hambo kwata walava awulavi itasuku the only channel that matters to watch. Song of the year. Risimu ro tsemalembe. Mayengani alwisa munghana lonene hi risimu ro tsemalembe. Timhaka ku ri tingani na ku ri 2453.403121 ya swiphiqo leswi nga kona hi mhaka ya yini yo tsemalembe. I mhaka ya ku mthondolo vanhu a yi tsemangi. Mayengani anga kumela ti airplanes to tala ka MLFM these days, but even on the ground tingoma ta Mayengani you can only tell online he still has power because he's not just one, he's the most streamed person ka Gaza, especially ka lava enda vunanga byo fana na bya yena. Right, first akusungula a hi nyikeni Mayengani let's give him the credits for taking that step and fight for others. Mkarhi wun'wana hi nga swi teka swilo swa swiphunta hi swi teka swa ku i bad, but he's doing the right thing. One thing ni nga sure i ku Mayengani a nge he pfuki a tsemelembe ka MLFM, but Vatsonga will benefit for that. Ku ta benefita tinqambi tin'wana, ku ta benefita van'wana, ku ta benefita vanhu van'wanyana, and sweswo swi n'wi veka in the right position politically. Why? Because it's no longer about me, Mtondolovan, Mtondolovan. Shamakombo, DJ Mumba. At that point in time, I'm about DJ Choir. Like I think I'm back to Tema, Oscar Makamu, my Juna, I have a problem, man. So that's one thing for sure. So that's a good thing. Politically, it will give him some, oh, why? That's what we want as Vatsonga. We want someone who's going to fight for us. But the lesson you tell us has got to listen from somewhere I should go to Gulana. Unless you go to Sona Tani Vatsonga. Ay. Walava au lavi itazi kubho beni Mayengani a mention swin'wanyana leswaku ka MLFM va tirha hi ti-contract sweswo ni swi vurile loko ni karhi ni vulavula na G1 Makamu o Makense loko hi endla interview ya this year la a hi vulavula yini hi Gaza Bosha album Chavi Makense page 9 wa yingisisa so and ka album leyani tinsimu leti ti nga la hinkwato a ti bi kubaya sasela vanungu leswi swin'wana hambi u nga changa hambi lo chaya sasela vanungu ntse ya yuro risimu la sasela vanungu ro risimu leswi swin'wana hamba lo teka check that's been nga humesa risimu leri rhwana ku album ai hit hinkwaswo leswaku na hinkwaswo risimu leri sasela vanungu ka kokwani sasela vanungu anyways ni n'wi byele leswaku yena a nge he vuyi ka MLFM a ni ve loko a hi pejeni loko meno win a nga ha vuyi ka MLFM G1 Makamu i fanele a nyika interview futhi a ku okay sure na pfumela mara loko no vuyeke wo tshika ka YouTube ni ala today I'm here na pfumela G1 Makamu I'm accepting the challenge kuna munhu wo fana Makamu kuna munhu wo fana Chavi kuna munhu wo fana Jantina I think ikarlena n'wana va n'wi hleva la mara ikarlena a nga survive mhaka ku i wansati vavasati va na lake mara xin'wana lexi va nga na xo vavasati mhaka ku hambi va nga zanga va endla sweswo huma ndleleni va na leswaku i wansati and loko va ku ri swin'watani ku leswaku swi na advantage ya ku swi ngo ku nyika hinkwaswo kumbe u ku swi languta ntsena to mundzuku u nga benefita swilo hinkwaswo so maybe vanhu lava i khale va actor la they want to get rid of them okay va Jantina okay it's fine get rid of them a ku va fambi va Jantina a va fambi na vangudwana xikan'we ni va khale va tele ngopfu vanhu va khale la a va fambi if that's the case right va fana va Chavi wa khale i fambiseriwa makatla so it's not about the talent and the offer that they bring or the value they bring into MLFM i mhaka ya ku they give them these contracts so that they can manage, they can micromanage them, they can control them, they can do anything that they want to do with them. You can't even say anything, you can't even propose anything there when you're in there because you nga kurenew contract attack. Like so, but one thing for sure, in MLFM is out. Jantina out. Chavi out. According to Laba, Abaruba Heavy, they are out. And when I judge a man, he influence Laba man, Yalaba Abaruba Heavy. Right? Good. You whom I wake up in Mayengani. So Benmanga, everyone never to contract. To contract a little mangato. He don't at the end of Lesaku, one love, Vanga. Decisions that serious. Who take a decision that affect the MLFM 5 or 7 years to come. When while you are on a contract for 2 years, you're on a contract for 1 year, for 12 months. You can't do that. And now I implore you, I tell you what to do because I'm in a permanent position now as a head of SABC or head of whatever in MLFM or head of radios, blah blah blah. I can control you because you have 1 year. If you don't listen to me, we underrate you, we review you, under performance out. That is another thing that we should be fighting for as Rishabh. But he will love man because these people are the ones that they go and do some stupid things and give both some boys such triple awards. By the way, like if I'm not talking lembe, here's Simura song. Why am I not talking a song of the young Arawan in Tem? Munwa mini munwa ndikanga mini mataka yawe ndana ya mini ndana yawe ngwata ya mini ngwata yawe. Why? That's why we must give credit to where it's true. We thank Mayengani. Here Mayengani forward. Hurrah! Karna hurrah chaka says hurrah. Right? So that's one thing that we should look into because if Abangarotama Rishi Gazan, Afanibatime some of the era when in time and I feel that will read the views to that. Come on. If Lamar Diagano, Mihanya Queen, Mogamin, I didn't simply look one by the China. tinsimu leti chaviwaka hi vanhu a mi hanya kwini n'we mara yo karhala Benny Mayengani so yo nyangatseka like he's fed up. But whatever he's fighting, we support him. I don't have an agenda with MLFM. I have an agenda of incompetence and disrespect. Vatsonga. There's nothing that they do with Vatsonga. Boy is saying to make money for their own benefits. It's like they know who always want to hear someone say boy gaku yingisel. So they will use just like gallon of blood did. So there's something like that gallon of blood. Arma sungulu story very like that's why look one of Rukatala Vatsonga you story very lego Rukatala na ishi teach lesson design a government kushukuri sarashaka chinda musharashaka she and like you pega mara will never have power in give Pugivana Matima because when lava afanaba and Vatsonga even a voice to national level. Even never try what take a voice about song by suppressor, what take about nigga. So whatever Benny is saying about some of them is absolutely correct in my opinion, right? We should look into that. In Laban Gaban say Shumayan. Yeah, Prince Rangani kumo audio mwanyan ngai wana ka channel one agar atrend I ngubani nothing. I don't like commenting on people's things, but logon satwa mina sus ofik anubutisa ako. Ye my baba. Bibele liana. Na tu ati bibele me. Le one ile ile kule ngai lanze fa utsemi. Vula ku ilanze. Ni lanze. Na ilanza me. Ibibele liana obuye ibibele liana obuye uyihlabelelo leshana ihlabelelo ngisiwe ibuku ngwana tinsimbe yibelela kuyo kana zari imala liana ilesi no believer ukaso so nila Prince Rangani teresa more leso believer ukaso ihanya ya ripfumelo ro ri tirhela ku hinkwino amse sino kumantiro ne even ukume maka yako nilo skendle nipfumela ka swa mina ngakuma ngimako lo skendle mara nda believe kuma ako nikendleni ukumse so yeah so mar ana comment na maka ya yindu I heard him saying Guruba could be back at the end blah 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 blah. I think that is also a good thing. People must always look to sustain their lives. Unga fugma says even if you have enough money unga aka India close to your Benny, don't do it, especially Malainin. You need Benny Mayengani Durango go Akain at the time. Mominaga scored 101. Go Akain at the time of Durango. That's why people who are rich, you'll find they stay in some decent small house, but they are making a lot of money in properties which are big that they own. Because India Benny Mayengani Luitaba Yelini Tomahan, young winter shall make is around more than 5,000-10,000. Malatlama Outlangalama. So it means he's the only one who's going to sustain that thing as long as he's still alive. Reason I can't think to even one look for Nama, what take it to you. Why this is a mama get school in Bagadi to bond. My wife. So it's a good valid point that is raising, but honestly, build a decent house that is affordable. Hey, they have been Mayengani do Ramonasis. That thing why you survive should do a we maintain a Dora in Julia. You see my lining like that, and my lining like that. It's not a proper that makes money. It is a something. You can just okay, let me just rent these rooms out. And then we're gonna studio, people will come and record there. 10,000 per session. It's a good house, they will always come, man. It's Benny Mayengani, what else? But anyways, Benny Mayengani more than 43 years is old. He knows what he's doing. And man, and she wanna know Shuhula, Ushakataku. I'm a endless car, say Yakuwe. Ubona video u subscribe like a channel like no lako I'm a banana channel loko tshama u hleketa ukubi ukunse ukudu loko hleketini u hleketa ku hamba vonela ka no loko like kunene u hleketa it's a bad idea loko wi ukunse like no vula nje amboti ka u share ka WhatsApp ya wena u share ka Facebook link le do you think that is a bad idea no vula nje no butis I don't foster like taku watch that advert ninge vula because maybe I'm got one advert defined board but that's why it's not a bad idea because you just got to support. Do you think it's a bad idea? I mean, just leave a comment of your view or hi my do you think that's a bad idea? So because already you are winning. Do you think it's a bad idea? No, nobody is about. Do you think it's a bad idea now? Logo car who wanted this video and you're enjoying whatever. No logo. It's not a bad idea, man. Just support me. I'm here to stay. I'm here for good, and I rely on your support. And I appreciate your views. But honestly, it's not a bad idea, right? It's not a bad idea. And also you can join, but at a minimum of 10 rand. Do you think that is a bad idea? Go on 10 rand. And that number like register school just that 10 rand. Do you think it's a bad idea? Yay, hambo kwata. Yay, walava, I will love it. It does.
Vakhandle group lo intlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuvuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka naswona u nga ha tlhela vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala misaveni swiyenge swa vakhandle group swi katsa leswi muganga basic laha u joyinaka 50 rand u vuyeriwa hi 5000 rand u kuma tende na 100 wa switulu mobile toilet muganga unveiling benefits u kuma 5000 rand lodi yin'we ya tihunyi decoration tende na 100 wa switulu laha u chayelaka hi 50 rand ku tlhela ku va na leswi muganga premium leyi ku nyikaka 15000 rand tende na 200 wa switulu yi tlhela yi va na legal advice muganga super premium yi ku nyika 15000 rand yi tlhela yi ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna masiku manharhu muganga cash only benefit laha u kumaka 50000 rand loko u chayela hi 140 kasi loko u chayela hi 120 u kuma 10000 rand ku kuma vuxokoxoko bana riqingho kumbe whatsappa eka 064 755 5674 u nga ha kuma vuxokoxoko na le ka website ya vakhandlegroup.co.za kumbe u rhumela rungula eka email info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.